How to fix cannot change Play Store country or region. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix cannot change Play Store country or region. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Google Play Store on your device. Navigate the profile icon at top right and go to the settings option. Now tap on general option and look for the option of account and device preferences. Scroll down and look for the country and profile section. And if you don't see the option to change country, you must be in the new country and use a local payment method from that country. Have a valid address and IP location from that region, nor change your Play Store country in the past 12 months. In order to fix this, make sure to clear cache and data of Google Play Store. For that, you need to exit this app, long press on the app icon, select I button. Look for the option of storage uses and tap on clear cache, tap clear data and tap on delete button. Then you can easily change Google payment profiles by visiting payments.google.com. If it is if it is still not working, you need to try using VPN with a local IP from the new country. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.